In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Canva. Whether you're looking to add a modern touch to your marketing materials or simply want to share information in a convenient way, creating a QR code is a great skill to have. So, let's dive in and get started with Canva. First, you'll want to go to your Canva project. If you haven't already, open your browser and navigate to Canva's website, where you can either start a new project or select an existing one. This is where you'll be creating your CR code. Once you're in your project, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with various options. You're going to want to click on Apps. This section is a treasure trove of additional features and tools that can enhance your design, and today we'll be using it to create our CR code. After clicking on Apps, a search bar will appear. Type in CR code to locate the tool we'll be using. This should bring up the CR code generator, which is the feature we need to create our CR code. When you see the CR code generator in the search results, click on it. This will bring up the option to open the tool. Go ahead and click on Open to begin the CR code creation process. Now, it's time to decide what you want your QR code to link to. Typically, this will be a URL, so if you have a website, social media page, or any other link you'd like to share, make sure you have it handy. With your URL ready, paste it into the field provided by the CR code generator. This is an important step, as the URL you enter here will be what your CR code directs people to when they scan it. With the URL pasted in, you're almost there. The next step is to click on Generate Code. This will create your CR code based on the URL you provided. Within moments, your unique CR code will appear, ready to be used in your design. And that's it. You've successfully created a CR code in Canva. Now you can incorporate it into your project, resizing and positioning it as needed. QR codes are a fantastic way to make your designs interactive and engaging, providing a simple way for viewers to access additional information. Remember, you can use this process to create QR codes for different URLs whenever you need. Whether it's for business cards, flyers, or digital content, Canva makes it easy to generate professional-looking QR codes in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching and happy designing.